Creative Society says scientists are shocked the Earth's rotation is speeding up. Um, However, Forbes and NASA and all the other space agencies say Earth's rotation is slowing. Expect big quakes. Creative, huh? That's the best you can do. They had 477 views. Yeah, this guy goes through some really big stretches to try and prove me wrong every time I open my goddamn mouth about a fact that you can see with your own eyes. So even though the action has slowed down a little bit, Hawaii is in the clear right now. They're having nice and low tides. The aftermath of our tapping on the brakes last night is still dissipating over here, where there's 20 meters against the entire west coast of the globe. The entire west coast of the globe. Because we spin like this, and if we slow down, all the water's going to rush from the east coasts to the west coasts, just like I predicted they would for the last 3 years. So in the last couple of days, we started noticing the oceans are uneven, as if we are tapping the brakes and slowing down at an accelerated rate because of the magnetic compression that has your atmosphere completely compressed down to 3 levels of atmosphere. There's one clockwise full rotation on the northern hemisphere in spite of the Coriolis effect, overdriving our fucking atmosphere all the way down to the 3rd level, pushing it to the ground. The same pattern up top. This is causing your wild weather, the fires around the globe, and are slowing down, which is very evident in the fact that all of these oceans are showing the same effect. The west coasts are getting a higher tide than the east coasts in a massive way. There's 6 foot, there's 18 foot. It has only begun happening in the last couple of days. I've been predicting it for years. Came as no surprise, but quite shocking. If we were speeding up, the east coasts, whoosh, would be getting the waves, not the west coasts. The west coasts are getting higher because we're slowing down. It's not rocket science. However, drunken fools on a fucking construction site I've dealt with before. You just have to leave them where they are, laying face first in their own vomit. Now, what kills me is inevitably every damn video come along, people be like, where's your proof? Well, there's a million fucking results in 0.64 seconds. One, those are words. This is evidence and proof that the water on the ball has begun collecting on the west coasts, as if our rotation was slowing, not speeding up. There you go. Which brings us to, this isn't CERN. You see the body right here, and you can see it at night on your north horizon after dark. Nighttime after the sun sets, then you can see this fucking thing on your north horizon blocking out the stars for, ever, sitting right there on your damn north horizon. If you don't want to look, don't. And you can question me. I don't care. Your opinion will never change the fact that you can look in your fucking north horizon and see this object that's throwing off the double fucking bow shock behind us, caused by a solar wind blown in from a blue spectrum, ultraviolet, fucking dark star. And if you don't like my language, go watch Suspicious Observer. He will feed you antifreeze just like Lee. It's so sweet going down, and it blinds you. Keep drinking it. Or you can open your fucking eyes and realize they're lying to you. They're paid to fucking lie to you. I've shown you how. I've fucking run you through the steps. People be all like, where's your proof? I've given it. Go look for it. Go look around you. Your shit's fixing to turn upside down. You're over here talking about a coming magnetic pole shift. Your entire planet laid down on its side, making the fucking moon do a cartwheel, and you're sitting here repeating stupid shit that Suspicious Observer and Lee spew out every day. And it's like, are you kidding me? What coming pole shift? The magnet pole shift. You're gonna just go on and on about something that probably will never happen. It's a physical axis tilt. Already happened. Fucking 12 years ago. And you idiots are out here spreading fucking bullshit and lies and gonna get people dead. See, people are like, oh, why you gotta fucking point out people? Because lies kill people. You fucktards. Suspicious Observer, Mr. 333, BP, Lee, all of them. They have blood on their fucking hands. And you want me to be silent about it? Suck my dick and go worship their fucking gods. Have fun. Or you can get with some fucking reality. See here, human magnetic field, that's 22 million fucking hits. You have plenty of fucking homework to do, don't you? Do you know anything about a magnet and how they stack strength and how your heart has neurons around it that control your emotions and your fucking memories? Not in your head, in your heart, in your gut. You got more neurons than in your head. These are known medical facts that some people poo-poo. Well, you can either do your homework or listen to my fucking cheap words, because my words are no better than anybody else's. I'm showing you where to go to look to find some truth. If you don't like it, get the fuck off of my channel, because that's all you're going to find here. You're not going to find commercials, because I don't give a fuck who clicks or if you click or any of that. That keeps me fucking straight, doesn't it? I don't give a fuck. I ain't running commercials like fucking BP because I'm trying to sell a fucking solar goddamn water purifier when there's no water. Bottle your water, people, and buy fucking rice and beans. That's what I got for you. Without that, you're gonna fucking die with your water purification thing in your fucking hand. Electron magnets of the same frequency inherit each other's strengths. Stack your fucking magnet and be the second shield. Be the 7 billionth shield. We have 3 suns converging for a nova event. You have an awesome creator that knew that before you were created. He gave you the tool to help all of nature survive. All of creation depends on you and your little heart magnet. Fucking get to know it. I've made plenty of videos. You can move fucking water. You can do every goddamn thing I can do. This is fucking created. You are created in this design for a purpose. Wake up.